So before I wash my hair, because I took my braids down because it's wash day, and before I put gel in my hair, I wanted to show you guys what 6 months of Derma-Rolling has done. So you guys can clearly see my edges have grown back. I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's wet, because I think you get a better view of how my scalp looks. But this is 6 months of growth, because I had no hair here, and I also had no hair here. So you guys can see. And I'm going to do it for another 6 months. I'll probably come back and update you guys once it's been a year. But Derma-Rolling definitely works. If you haven't checked out Derma-Rolling for hair regrowth, please do. 6 months of growth. It's like a little bit over an inch. And as you can see, I have no like bald spots. So yeah, definitely try that. Natural. A long-term process, but it works. So this is my results after Derma-Rolling my scalp for 6 months. I'm sure you guys can see the difference. My hairline is definitely fuller, wet, dry. I don't have any of those like missing spots. I'm so happy with the results. I always urge that you guys, I always like try different things. I've tried a few things, didn't work out for me. If you know, you know. But this is definitely one of the things that I would recommend that you try. You can get a derma roller on like Amazon, and if you want, I can link all the different oils down below that I use on my scalp to massage into my hairline just to get it to to regrow. But 6 months in, my edges are back. I'm going to continue to do this for another 6 months. I'll probably just update you guys on one of my vlogs so you can see the results, but I am definitely happy with it. And like I said before, I knew it was going to work. Yeah. So I knew it was going to work. So if you guys stuck on this journey with me, thank you for so much. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. But that wraps this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.